I'm finna eat. I write this down so I can eat.
No, I ain't gonna spray nothing for that. I'm spraying for the smell.
Yeah. It out. This shit need to be bomb. All this, look at these walls. Ooh.
This line. This is what you use.
I'm scared to open the refrigerator. He needs stainless steel cleaner. How you tear the refrigerator up?
The stainless steel cleaner will make that shit come off with a brand.
Yeah, that'll come off. Open it up. I bet you that motherfucker through.
No, it ain't. He took care of the phone.
It need to be cleaned up. What's that?
Look like he done right.
Them bugs.
Some bugs in there. He must have had it off. He had it off. Clean with bleach that door.
Look how they destroyed this stove. Oh my God.
That smell better in here. See that?
Yeah, that guy is really good.
That was you spray when you use wash your lip. And the toilet.
Oh, look at this. Rat droppings.
I know, but they climbs up the stove.
Yeah, everywhere.
I gotta pull that stove out and see if it's hot. But he needs aluminum foil, not aluminum foil, steel wood.
He need a whole nother stove.
No, the stove's still good.
I don't know about this.
Let's get this shit up.
This is gross. I bet you this is.
Where's the room at?
These cabinets, how dirty they is. Whew. It'll take all the rest of the year. You'll clean it out. And he be paying. Oh, this was all rat doo-doo.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You ain't seen me just kill a motherfucking rat.
Them hoes brought them shit with them.
See this hole right here? See that? See this? Aluminum foil. You need not aluminum foil, steel wood. Steel wood, or I gotta plaster that.
Oh, it's a hole in there.
I could plaster that though. I don't know if they climbing that high enough, but they definitely coming through there. You see that little the crack? They don't got no bones.
Oh yeah, it's a crack.
They can come through.
Yeah, they come
and
through.
that got to be closed. You need a brand new one that close. That one don't close.
Ooh, look at all the red droppings in there.
They coming through there.
Oh, we could put the cracked up glass and the peanut in there and let them eat it. But they'll be down in the walls, right?
Yep. So why not?
And then they'll be stanky.
Why we can't just go to Home Depot and buy one for like $10 and just put it in there?
Who $10?
Right, his, I guess.
Mr. Sherman the fuck ain't gonna be mad.
He can get it. He want the room. He's gonna do it. Right?
He'll do that.
There's another hole on this side too. If I had some cork,
they done told this dresser, this shit is dirty.
If I had that, we wouldn't even need it.
All these dressers need to be empty. They done told this bedroom set up.
We talking about the walls.
The walls, this is.
The dressers been going out the door. Shit.
Oh, this the closet door that go on there. How the fuck you tear that off?
I took everything out. That pops back in.
Oh, I'm finna say how they tear that
You can't paint a room. You can't paint a room with shit in it.
Right, with shit in.
I can if I throw something over it. You already got it's a nice floor in here. All you gotta do is scrub the floor.
Ooh, I know look at the stairs. I wouldn't let a dog over here.
We know it's fucked up.
This sad.
It's fucked up though. It'll be alright. It look 10 times better than the house I clean.
It do.
Hell yeah.
That's crazy.
I go in bed, bug house, all type of shit.
That's crazy how people tear your shit up.
Man, I put that shit on.
You should have let them in here.
Rick will be watching me. He know I get this shit.
The light ain't working up in here. At least they ain't tear the bathroom sink up. They done tore the spa tub up. Somebody sitting on the tub smoking.
How y'all get this out of here?
This shit is crazy.
How do they get out of here?
DCFS. DCFS. Oh, it wasn't no lights and no water.
Gotta get them out of here.
Them lights got to get washed down. This gonna be like 6 months. Do one room at a time.
I'm gonna do this room in an hour.
I'm talking about on cleaning. But this ridiculous.
I'm gonna clean this bitch in an hour.
Ooh, this sad.
I'm good at what I do.
This is sad.
You just need to pick this shit up from me and I'll be good.
This sad.
Oh, you just paint. You don't use your hand.
They said it was way worse than that. They took a whole lot of shit out of here. This is sad. What color that paint is?
Same color that wall.
Yeah, because it don't need to be.
It's way better than that wall.
Yeah, it don't need to be no light color. But that's pickle room.
No, this one gonna be nice. I just wish I would have run some clay so I can get some of these holes. It's like a little dents. But you know, I can put enough paint on it, it won't matter. He just wanted paint, not fix and repair walls. That shit costs too much. Get you a garbage. Get the garbage.
We finna eat. I'm finna eat. I'm finna. Where the tray at?
It's over here on the table.
I'm gonna fuck this damn stove up. Ain't no knobs.
No, ain't no doubt.
This stove down there 3 stacks. This shit need to get up out of here. Ugh! Holy! Ugh! Look at this, y'all. This need to come up out of here.
What?
This stove. This a horror movie.
That can be clean. I can clean that stove, make it look brand new.
This can't be clean.
Yeah, it is. All you gotta do is spray easy off in it and leave it in there for a day. Come back with some bleach and that shit'll be clean as hell. We do that.
Really?
Yeah, I know how to do it. Here you go, right here. This what you need.
That one ain't working.
I don't know why not.
He got that out.
We got a lot of shit in here too.
But that ain't working. He got that out my house.